After making the rows, I showed you how I made the rows. After making the rows, you place your brooch on it. You place your brooch on it. I've showed you how to make the design. Then after making it, you put your brooch on it. Then you take your wool gum. This is my wool gum. Then you put your pairs and wool gum. You put your wool gum on pairs. My pairs are on. I've gummed my pairs on the design with the aid of wool gum. Then I will apply wool gum here. I can place it by the side here or on top, depending on how I want it. You apply your wool gum. Como uma doça rẹ̀ báyìí kí n yàrá kì í ṣe. Check it wool gum segment. So you apply wool gum on the spot you want to keep this brooch. Then you gum both together like this.